50 things you're probably forgetting to clean in your home. Living room. Remote controls. Light switches. Behind and under the couch. Lampshades. Air vents. Baseboards. Picture frames. Curtain rods. Houseplants. Ceiling fans. Kitchen. The top of the fridge, inside the microwave. Under the sink. Cabinet handles. Oven knobs. Toaster crumb tray. Dishwasher filter. Backsplash tiles. Fridge coils. Inside the trash can. Bathroom. Toothbrush holder. Shower curtain liner. Under the toilet seat hinges. Exhaust fan cover. Tile grout. Faucet aerators. Light switches. Behind the toilet. Inside drawers. Bath toy storage. Bedroom. Under the bed. Mattress. Nightstand drawers. Closet shelves. Bed frame. Lampshades. Behind mirrors. Jewelry boxes. Drawer liners. Laundry basket. Laundry room, utility areas. Washing machine. Dryer. Iron or steamer base. Behind appliances. Vacuum filter. Utility sink. Light fixtures. Shelves and storage bins. Wall behind washer, dryer. Door handles. And that's it. 50 spots you probably forgot to clean. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments which spot surprised you the most. And don't forget to subscribe if you love practical cleaning tips and home inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning.